Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the kisho. What's the current price of the kisho? What's the prices okay in the kisho? In this video I will show you friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to this tech channel and also like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. Before starting this interesting video, I request all of you once again that please subscribe. Subscribe is very important for all of you. That is why I'm telling you again and again, because every tech channel update you every hour from a new news, which is very important for all of you. Anyways, let's start the video friends and let's move on. The current price of the kisho in the market is absolutely very low. If you want to buy kisho, so absolutely that is the last chance to buy kisho. 0.00001 USD dollar, the bundle of 0, and after a bundle of 0 there is a 1. That is the current price of the kisho. On the other side, if you look the prices okay in the kisho, so absolutely unfortunately the last one day pricing is negative. The kisho falls start from the previous last one day from the yesterday friends, but I'm sure my prediction, my imagination is that after some passage of time, after a 2-day falls, after a 1-day falls, they again start jumping. Don't worry about this falls, that's a temporary falls. With the passage of time they again start jumping, so please don't lose hope and don't decide to sell kisho. Let's see the price chart for more details and for better understanding. As you can see here, if you look the previous time changes occur in the kisho, so absolutely the highest jumps occur in the kisho. But unfortunately from the yesterday the prices occur in the kisho, and I hope that after some passage of time, after a few hours or after a 1 day or after 2 days, the kisho again start jumping. I'm clear that the kisho only give us a profit, not loss. So that is why I suggest for all of my viewers as to please hold kisho for a long time, because the kisho is going up. Kisho and Shibano is going up day by day, minute by minute, but every cryptocurrency falls down for a little time. If cryptocurrencies falls down, so that's not mean then you decide to sell kisho. Anyway, understand? So please don't do this mistake and don't sell kisho at this time friends. Anyways, if we look the price changes occur in a last 1 day in the kisho, negative 27.51% price change occur in the kisho in the last 1 day in the 24-hour, and the highest price is 0.00001 USD dollar is the highest price of the kisho friends. So what's your opinion, what's your prediction about kisho? Please also share in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe to this tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.